there is a new vibe coding app called Rork.com. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name incorrectly, because for me it's kind of difficult to pronounce. But anyway, this tool lets you build a mobile application within minutes, and the app would be available for both Android and iOS because it is using the Expo platform. And these are just some apps that someone created using Expo, and apparently it is able to create some really good looking and also functional mobile apps by just sending a few prompts. So if you want to use Rork to create a mobile application, then here's how you can do it. But by the way, this is just a quick overview about the app. I'm not going to explain every single features in this platform, just a simple guide on how to create your first app using this app platform. So first, you have to navigate to Rork.com, and then you can create a free account. And every day you will get 5 credits. Not a lot, but I think it's good enough to just getting started. And after that, you can describe the kind of app that you want to create. So here, I want to create an app that is basically similar to Google Docs. So create a clone of Google Docs, complete with editing feature, and the user is able to download the document. Sorry about that. As PDF. So that's my prompt. Of course, that's not exactly specific, but that should do it. Now, after that, let's click this button to send a message to Rork. I don't know what AI model that is being used, but I believe it is some sort of combination of Cloud or maybe GPT 4.1. I don't know, but usually these two are the most popular AI models for coding. So this process will take usually about 1 or 2 minutes, which I think is pretty quick. And you can see the preview of the app here on this screen. So it will automatically create the Android and iOS app version, because again, it is using the Expo platform. So given that this will take quite a while, I'll just skip forward and show you the result. Alright, so it is not yet finished, but I can see the app is about to run. Right now it's sitting at 98.99%. I have no idea why there is no preview. And when I check the Android, I still have to wait anyway. So yeah, this is actually a common theme in a lot of vibe coding apps, especially the ones that are not the big names like Cursor, Windsurf, and many others. Usually they have a lot of problems going on, even though their ideas are quite innovative, but when it comes to practicality, they don't always work. So anyway, I'll just skip forward and just show you another example of an app that I created using Rork. And basically this is an Instagram cloning. Now this tool is, this app is actually kind of working, and I can actually start testing the app on my phone if I scan this QR code. So first we have to download the Expo Go app on your phone. It is available for both iOS and Android. In this case, I'm using Android, but then again, it's not working. So I tried scanning this multiple times, but it's always throwing me error messages. The blue screen that says error, and basically I cannot test the app. Again, another problem with some vibe coding apps, they don't really always work, and they probably only work for the first 2 days, and after that they don't work anymore. I have no idea why, but perhaps because maybe building a vibe coding app is not exactly easy. So in this case, even though I like the idea, I love the fact that we can focus building an app and it will be available for both Android and iOS, is quite enticing. But at the end of the day, I think the infrastructure to build that is quite expensive, so they're probably going to cut some corners, and that results to this kind of quality. But anyway, if you're still intrigued with the idea of building an app by prompting, then you can navigate to Rork.com and try it yourself. Maybe you can build some simple apps using this AI tool. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.